Hello friends, welcome on video number 4. In this video, we are going to learn for each loop. So without wasting a time, let's see a short example how we can use for each loop in Hypermesh Scripting. So initially I will create component IDs which are available on display or in complete model. Component IDs now I will use our for each loop. For each I $sign component IDs and you can use now puts $I. So it will write an output like this way. Every component ID in new line like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So friends, if you want an output of like this, let's see, puts get value get value HM get value sorry HM get value, then component ID we will get from this loop pattern, data name is equal to name. So after that you will get an output like this, the component ID, after that the name of the part, then once again this loop will go execute, then after that second ID, then it will give the name of the part, then next ID name of the part, next ID is name of the part, next ID name of the parts. It will give in output format. So don't forget to put the curly bracket complete to do the complete curly bracket. So in this way we learn how we can use the for each loop in a Hypermesh scripting. Thank you. I hope you got what I tried to convey. So thank you friends for your valuable times. I hope you are enjoying the videos. Thank you.